just when you think it's safe to do a bit of crafting without the dog and the dog hairs and everything else, here we go. My trusty steed, he's here. The other day we went over to Pets at Home to get old Fluffy Pants here some more food, and in Pets at Home they sell all sorts of things, and I found this. Now it's supposed to be for a fish tank or something, but I thought, ooh, I can shove crystals on this and make it look really funky and awesome and nice. Yeah, you have to have a look and a sniff, don't you? Yes, there you go. It's passed the smudge sniff and lick test. There we go. Now, what do you think about this? I think it's really funky and groovy. I love all the lines. It's just really cool. It's not too big. It's not too small. So, let's see what we... right, just stay there. Let's see what we can do with this. Right, come on, old wobbly legs. Let's get you on your windowsill and then I can do a bit of crafting. Up we go. There we are. Right, are we settled? Yes? There we go. We're fine. Okay. On to cleaning it out. There we go. It looked clean before. It just so wasn't clean. I wouldn't have liked to have put this in a fish tank. You'd needed to get all this stuff out first. Took quite a while to get all this out, to be honest. I was quite surprised at how long it actually took me, but it gave me time for the creative process to start working. Look at all the dust. That's crazy amounts of dust. Let's get cleaned up, shall we? Nice, fresh, clean surface. There we go. Right, what we need is some moss. There we go. And some crystals. Yay! Crystals! Now just having a look and seeing where things go, where they fit, where they don't fit. It's just playing around and seeing what you like and what you don't like. More crystals and even more crystals. Ooh, let's have a look what these look like. You know when you're in the middle of something and you go and get one of your tools and you plug it in and it dies on you? Well, that's just what my glue gun has just done. So, yay! It's a good job I have a backup glue gun, the old Park side. It's okay, does the job. The one downside to using any glue gun is the like spider webby glue things you get with them. They just get everywhere and you think you've cleaned them all off and there's some more. As you can see, I'm using this stick as one of my fingers because I'm always getting my fingers burnt. And I have got some of those finger cot things that you put on your fingers, but I don't know where they are. Do you know the one good thing about crafting is that no matter what is on your mind before it, you can just get lost in the project and completely forget about any worries or any stresses you've got or any pain or anything like that. It just disappears while you're being creative. Now, do you see what I mean about the glue webs? They're everywhere. There's millions of them. It's a good job we don't have glue spiders. Can you imagine what they'd be like? Yeah, remember earlier when I said about getting immersed in a project? Yeah, well, I kind of did. And I didn't realise the battery in my camera had run out. So, anyhow, after more gluing and messing about, here's the result. I love it, and I hope it gives you inspiration to get crafting. Now, where to put it? Ah, here will do.